Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to update expired credit card on Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your device. This app is your go-to hub for sorting all your credit and debit cards, tickets, and passes. Just tap it on your home screen to open. Next, look for the expired card in your list. You'll usually notice it because it's marked as expired or has a small notification icon. When you're on the card, head to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. This will take you to the card settings menu. Inside Settings, tap Update Card. Now enter your new card details. That means the new expiration date and CVV, the security code. Apple may ask you to verify your identity either through a quick text verification, Face ID, or Touch ID. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. That's how to update expired credit card on Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.